this is the Lego coffee machine. It's really cool about, it's a detail I learned from a video, and I tried to build it, but I didn't have a sign for it. So, yeah. Didn't have all the pieces. I can't have all the pieces. I don't know if it's like a set or something, but I think it's a set. So now, start off with this piece. With all the bumps on, take that. Set it right here. And then, take this piece, smooth tile, set it right there. Good. Then use another one and set it here. So people can look how much coffee you're taking. Okay. Now we use this piece, and you probably don't know why, because it's laying over like this so coffees can hold. Then we put it right on there. See? Looks like you can put coffees, and then put this pillow piece and set it here. So there we have it. There we have it.
Very cool.
Really looks
a mini
nice.
coffee machine.
Yep.
Very nice.
And it's a cool detail on like the top, because it makes me the look of like a old coffee machine. Like if you went to Starbucks, they have big coffee machines. Yeah. So yeah, it's really cool. Maybe I'll show you how to build it again. And so,
Okay.
again,
Okay.
bye. These are all the pieces you need. You only need this piece if you have it, that piece if you have it, that piece if you have it, and these pieces if you have it.
Very cool.
They're all from a kit get. They're all from a kit that I got.
Awesome.
You just have to mix up your Lego to do it.
Very cool.